Over the years, we've met thousands of people who needed to try dustless blasting for themselves. Each person is unique, but when it comes to dustless blasting, their stories are all the same.
I found out about dustless blasting about 2.5 years ago on YouTube.
And I'm like, what is this? Dustless, how is this possible?
Researched it, looked like the thing to do.
YouTube videos after YouTube videos after YouTube videos.
Compared you to like your competitors like Graco, I saw that your product just really top to bottom appeared more top notch. I said, man, you guys have a community, academy.
But me, I'm pessimistic. YouTube videos, who's editing these things? I have to come down.
You see all these ads on TV and stuff, you know, it's a miracle, it works, and then you can buy it and it doesn't work.
You watch it on the YouTube and you watch it on the channels and you go, something's going on. No.
So I took the trip down from New York. I'm walking around with Lewis, and I gotta tell you, he's wearing a white jacket. I'm blasting things like it owes me money, and I'm having fun. And the guy's wearing a white jacket. He didn't even get dirty, and he's standing 5 feet from me.
I mean, it's instant. You hit the button, you move over to you go.
And I am very impressed with what this does and how it works.
So much different seeing it on video, on TV, than actually doing it yourself.
We got the demo of the machine and it was even more impressive than any video I ever watched.
I've actually sandblasted before, and there's actually a big difference. It's easy to use too.
It did everything that everyone says it does, plus.
Very impressive. Just as easy as the videos.
We have already got jobs lined up. And
I have 2 to 3 planes waiting for us. We're going to be able to put the machine to work as soon as we get there.
Some of the guys on the videos are saying that, you know, they have a job that's already paid for the machine. I'm just about there.
Between yesterday and today, I closed another 5 deals.
Dustless Blasting seriously made me a lot of money.
Problem is not getting business. My problem is keeping up with the business.
I've made money with one machine to buy 5 more, easily.
The excitement meter, 1 to 10, I'm at an 11. I'm so excited right now.
If you need to see dustless blasting to believe it, visit our website and schedule a demo.